welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So, seeing difference of my hair. Yeah, I do love wash and go, but I'm doing the braid out routine for this, almost like a beach wave summer. But it may be over. Well, actually, it's almost over of this through the September, but we can't stop. But we never die for this one. Yeah, I'm excited. My parents are coming to visit me and my uncle. They said they're on their way, and I do look nice. So if you want to see the way back to the beginning, let's just start from the top, and hopefully see the rest of the playlist there for natural hair routine for this one. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, and Pinterest, and also click a notification to see the bell there when I'm making more videos. And I also like to think this is a beach wave look, and hope you enjoyed this video. And let's gonna start from the top there and see what I look like there, and I'll be right back. And so hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest. Also, yeah, I did told you that. And let's go from the top, and let's see what I did to this. So enjoy this video. So here we are. Let's get this started with my two gels, and with the no shrink one for Injurities, and the other one with the pink one and Camille Naturals, and then also for gel and a cream too. So I got my hair washed, and it's time to get braided. And no flakes there. So I'm holding with the clips on my hair, and see, let's get this started. It's time. So I'm starting to spray my water first, and get all this stuff right here, and just because I need some water there, but don't use it too much. You say what's gonna happen, and you have a sword in your hair. So I put some cream on it first. And it's time to rub it through. Well, I also put some gel too. I know it's just kind of weird to mix it all together, but it just only work for this one. So I rake it through it and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, raking is my favorite kind of thing to do, and just see what's going on. Just keep on raking it. It looks like we're doing pretty good with this one. And yeah, don't forget the edges too. It's nice. If you want to see the rest of the Camille Rose collection for a review, click the link description down below. And it's time to get the other ones there, and there we go. Yeah, it's called a magic look. It's time for the clip there, then it's time for the half of the first one there. Just put it on the clip. Yep, the claw or alligator claw. And here we go. And it's time to comb my hair, and trying to get rid of all the knots too. Yes, I have a bunch of knots there. And here it comes. And it's time for this gel to break it through. That's nice. It's maybe not gonna be that much hole, but I hope it's gonna work for this one. Yep. This is the best good time for summertime and winter and slash fall, but he says it's almost time for the September anyway. And it's time for the final gel is the Aunt Jackie's. And I'm going to brush it through it. And trying to get rid of the knots there. Besides, it's only reason to get rid of knots is to brush it and also comb it too. And you can also use your hands too. And here comes the rub. It's time to break it through there, and let's do it. After this, it is time for get my hair braided. I may be a little bit different for this one. It's time for this braid started. And here it comes. Time to get my hair braided for the best time of their lives. And that's the only thing we got. If you want to see the rest of the curly hair routine on for playlist, click the description down below. And almost there. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. I know I'd be busy with my other one, but it's the only one you got. And that's it for the first one. Oh yeah, well, almost. Okay, now that's for the first one. Now it's time for the second one. And just keep on braiding it. And I just like saying keep on braiding it, keep on braiding it. Yeah. And here we go. Like, it's a good time for it to have this one. And okay, I think that's about it for the first two of them. Now it's time for another half of this braid. Yes, guys, this is going to take a little bit while to do this. Yes, guys, have you ever tried doing your braid out for routine before? If you do, leave me in the comments down below. And also like this video too. And oh, I'm also turning it at the ends too. Forgot to tell you that. Oh, wiping my hands also. And put some edges on my hair to make it really nice and smooth. And almost, and continue to braid it. Just keep on braiding to see the best kind ever. My nose is getting a little itchy anyway. What's the difference to make? Almost done with this one. I don't know why my nose is itchy. It's just a little bit weird for this one to have this like a braid out, but this can be a nice and wavy beach look. Yeah. And I'm pressing in to get rid of the excess of water. This is almost like scrunching it, but it's not. And that's I'm finished to have it. And let's see. And you might want to see it. And that's it. And I'll see you. And I'll see you next time when I'm grabbing it. And I'll be right back. And here comes the next morning. It's time to unravel it. And let's see what we got. And I'm using this Biotin Repair leave-in spray. And I'm putting on like holding, use my scrunchies. Well, it's kind of stretchy scrunchies before. And I put on my makeup also. Time to unravel it. Let's see what we got here. And let's see what we got. Just keep on unraveling it. And that's almost there. Because I try to use oil to help me to unravel it, but it's the best way to use the leave-in spray. You can also use them for the refresher there. And that's all the time. And that's the first one time. And time for the second unravel. It might be a little wet on the top, but it can wait. Just keep on unraveling. It's just a made-up song I did. Just almost there. Almost there. Okay, and it's time to separate the braid out. Yep, that's the half of the price of the half. Now it's time for another one. Keep on unraveling. Keep on unraveling. Unraveling. If you ever try to unravel your braid out or twist out, just leave me in the comments down below. Almost there for this one. Got 3 down and 1 to go. Well, almost 3 down and 1 to go. And it's time for one more thing. And you might want to see the magic tricks. I'm going to do the other one off camera. Yeah. But it's just going to take very long to do it. And almost there. And yep, finish the half of this one. That's right. It's time to see some magic tricks there, and this is done, and this is gonna be done pretty soon. So, ta-da! See, told you, magic tricks. This is a nice braid owl I ever seen. So, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. So enjoy this and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.